Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below to register for my channel. That way you don't miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Pow! So today I'm going to talk about in this video how to make sure that your actions of what you're doing really speak volumes. Whenever you're out, I know you may not think about this, have your phone. Make sure that you take all kinds of photos of before and after, because that's going to show what you're really doing and what you're able to bring of value to your customer. That way you're not having to always compete on what I say is price. So remember, I talk about the 3 pillars: attraction, acquisition, and retention. This is going to help attract and acquire the new customer. If you put these photos on your website or you put it out there on any type of Instagram or Facebook posts of before and after, there's very little you have to say if you can really show the value of what the client was dealing with before you came into their life and after. So if you want to find out more, guess what? I'd love to see you at my free masterclass. It's called How to Build a 6-Figure Cleaning Business in Less Than 12 Months. 12 months, that's right. If you want to find out more, then I'd love to see you there. Bring the 3 G's I always talk about. Make sure you get your pen, get paper, and get your favorite beverage. Be there. I'd love to see you there. It's going to be this Thursday, and it's from noon until 1. So I look forward to seeing you. Register, don't miss out, and that way you'll know everything you need to actually scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Pow! I'll look forward to seeing you. Bye-bye.